In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy in GoHighLevel. Having a dedicated privacy policy page is essential if you're collecting leads, running ads, or handling any kind of customer data. I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a clean, professional privacy policy page inside GoHighLevel step by step. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you can access all the tools and features for your location. Once you're on the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Sites. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Sites section, you'll see different options for funnels and websites. For this tutorial, we're working with a website, so click on Websites. This will bring up a list of the sites you've already created in this account. Choose the website where you want to add your privacy policy page. In the example, it's called Test Site. But in your case, it will be your actual site name. Click on that site to open its pages. Now you'll see the pages that belong to this website. To create a new privacy policy page, click on Add New Page. A setup window will appear asking you for some basic details. Start by typing in the name of your page. A clear, simple name like Privacy Policy works best because it's easy for visitors to recognize. Next, you'll need to set the URL path for this page. This is the part that appears after your main domain. A common choice is Parish Privacy Policy or just Privacy. Type that into the URL path field, keeping it short, descriptive, and lowercase with hyphens if needed. Once you've named the page and set the URL, click on Create New Page. GoHighLevel will now ask how you want to build this page. You can either create it from a blank template or use an existing design. Since privacy policy pages are usually simple text pages, creating from blank is often the easiest option, but choose whichever works best for your setup. After the page opens in the builder, look at the Quick Add section on the left-hand side. Find the headline element, click on it, and drag it onto your page. Drop it near the top so it becomes the main title. Then click on the headline you just added to select it and type in your headline text. A straightforward title like Privacy Policy is perfect here. Under that headline, you'll want to add the actual policy text. To do that, click on the plus icon below the headline to add another element. In the Quick Add panel, choose the paragraph element and drag it onto the page, placing it beneath your headline. Click inside this new paragraph area. Now you can paste your full privacy policy text directly into the section. It's a good idea to prepare your policy beforehand, either from your legal team or a compliant template, and then paste it in here. Once it's in, you can adjust basic formatting if needed so it's easy to read. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the builder and click on Save. This ensures all your changes are stored and not lost if you navigate away. After saving, the final step is to make the page live. Click on Publish when you're ready. This will push your new privacy policy page to your website so visitors can access it through the URL path you set. And that's it. You've successfully created and published a privacy policy page in GoHighLevel.